broken. Kaya naman ako nagsasalita, nakakapagod magbigay kasi I felt abused. Pero dahil may tao diyan na sinabi, hindi ka abused, you are given the opportunity to exercise, to be given away." Alam mo rin naman yung walang-wala, eh, alam mo rin naman yun, eh, ba't hindi ka magbigay ngayon? Alam niyo po, to experience blessing and to experience brokenness is to experience the grace of God, to experience being a current of His grace, to being a channel of His love, a channel of His blessing. Ilang beses na ba nating narinig, "I am blessed, so I will be a blessing." Hindi, I am blessed, and yes, I was broken. That's why I can be a blessing. Our experiences na hindi lang experiences ng blessing natin ang nag-uudok sa atin para magbigay ng biyaya. Yung experience din natin na walang-wala, nasaktan, umiiyak, yun din yung nagbigay sa atin ng compassionate heart, ng merciful heart, ng forgiving heart. Kasi kung di naman natin naranasan yun, paano natin mauunawaan yung kapwa natin umiiyak, nasasaktan, nag-i-struggle. Kaya nga a person who was broken by sin is more forgiving, is more compassionate than a person who did not, na hindi pa na-experience to be broken by sin. But what do you mean to be broken by sin? Yung sa kabila ng malaki nating kasalanan, hindi tayo iniwan ng Diyos at napaluhod ka na lang na, "Lord, thank you. During the times na nagkakasala ako, hindi mo pa rin ako pinabayaan." 'Pag naranasan mo yon and you see someone struggle, hindi tayo nagiging judgmental, hindi tayo nagiging, ika nga, source para lumayo sila, but because tayo yung nagkakaroon ng shepherding heart, merciful heart. Lent, on the in the beginning of Lent, dun po nagsimula yung blessed, broken, given away. Of course, many people ina-associate yun dun sa feeding of the 5,000 when people took 5 loaves of bread, then break it and then share it, of course. But true blessedness began doon sa Last Supper. Bakit ko po nasasabi yan? Kasi sa Last Supper, Jesus made forgiveness and salvation available kay Peter at kay Judas, whom sa simula pa lang dun sa washing of the feet at maski dun sa kumakain na sila, alam niya pareho si Peter magde-deny, si Judas magbe-betray, alam niya pareho. Pero yung he gave them the blessing, "Oh, puwede kang bumalik ha, magkakasala ka mamaya alam ko, pero puwede kang bumalik, huwag kang lalayo, sa'kin anak, huwag kang lalayo." Yun yung blessing na itong Lent, tuwing nagse-celebrate yung Lent, yun yung pinaalala sa'yo, "Nak, magkakamali ka, eh, pero huwag kang lalayo. Forgiveness is always available. My love is always steadfast. My mercy will always be for you." But then when we sin, kaya nga naging habitual sin, God will oftentimes breaks us. Parusa ba? Hindi. Hindi, consequence ng sin yun, hindi sa Diyos nanggagaling yung punishment ng sin, consequence nung habitual sin natin. When we are broken by that habitual sin, at bumalik ka ulit kay Lord, then the Lord can give you away to those who are struggling with their own sin, to those who are struggling to be good. Bakit ko pagtatawanan kung merong isang tao na nag-i-struggle? Pagtatawanan ko siya, eh, meron din naman akong katawa-tawang ugali. Bakit ko huhusgahan yung itong taong 'to? Eh, meron din naman akong mga ugali na hindi kapatawad-patawad, eh, pero pinatawad pa rin ni Lord. See, my brother, my sisters, the grace is all about this blessed, broken, given away. You and me are being given away by God. After Lent, after Easter Sunday, there's so much celebration. But I think after Easter Sunday, Eric, here wait lang. Yung init talaga. After Easter Sunday, nawa mas magamit pa tayo ng Diyos. Hindi lang to a hurting world, to a divided world, to a divided community. Ah, dito po sa Apari, merong isang pari na galing diyan sa Rome. Natatawa siya. Kakayatang aaminin ko. Natatawa siya, sabi niya, bakit dalawa ang love flock sa Rome? Hindi niyo ba tinrabaho na magkasundo sila? Hindi tinrabaho po, eh bakit dalawa sila? Hindi po sila magkasundo eh. Kaya pinayagan na lang po sila. Ngayon pa lang po nahihil yung relationship nila, Father eh. Malalalim yung sugat nila eh. Nawa, hindi hindi tayo maging source ng division, but maging peacemaker tayo. Nawa, we celebrate Easter Sunday, we being a channel of peace, of goodness, of kindness, hindi sumasali sa chismisan, hindi sumasali sa siraan, hindi sumasali sa pintasan, hindi sumasali sa hanapan ng mali. Nawa magkaroon tayo ng heart that refuses to join those things. Then we become peacemakers. We become healers. We become blessings. Amen. Blessed, broken, and may we have the heart willing to be given away. A life that at the end of the day, pwede na sasabihin, Lord, pumayag ako to be given away. Hindi lang dahil nag-serve ako, kundi pumayag akong daanan ng forgiveness mo, ng love mo, ng kindness mo. Amen. In ending, this will be my challenge for you for itong pong natitirang araw ng Holy Week. When was the last time you talked to someone about Jesus? When was the last time meron kang kinausap na tao, maring kumare mo, kaibigan mo, na hindi mo kinukuwento si Jesus before, but when was the last time you did that? You know why? Bakit ko binabanggit 'yan? Because kasama po sa mission natin is to share Jesus to people who do not know Him or who do not have a relationship with Him. Kilala siya, pero mababaw na pagkakilala. Kaya nga, naniniwalang may Diyos, pero yung buhay nila parang walang Diyos. People like that need to know more about Jesus. And the challenge for you and for me is to share Jesus to those people. No, hindi ko sinabing mag-talk tayo. Hindi ko sinabing mag-extra. Ang sinasabi ko,